everyone, welcome to the next a lost item video from Rooms of Wonder by Johanna Basford. We have this sort of casserole dish today. I have been left wondering whether was there any casserole in it when it was left behind on the train. It hasn't left me with a happy feeling, but let's pretend it's a brand new one and they left it behind. Should we do that? And I'm going to grab number 4, Staedtler Design Journey pencils. I want the whole of this bit to be orange. I'm thinking retro design. I don't know why this pattern, it just reminded me of a China pattern from when I was a child. I remember we used to have some dishes which I think they were white with brown and orange pattern on, and then I remember had these little soup bowls. They were very strange. They were, again, they were white and they had a little handle that you could hold on to when you were eating out of them. They were almost slightly conical in shape, and I'm sure they had a Lily of the Valley print on them. I'll have to ask my mum or my sister about those. And my gran had China which was orangey brown with brown and orange sort of stylized florals on, which was good fun. Now what I am trying to do is to build up the layers near the edges of the pan so that it hopefully looks like it's rounded. So that's why I am making it a bit lighter in the middle, as well as trying to make it look a bit like it's shiny, but a bit more rounded. It's quite bright, isn't it? There. Now I'm gonna go, I'm thinking, should I do the lid in that colour too? I might do actually. I might do the lid next actually. So I'll keep with my 4 and do the lid. I sort of think that it might be see-through lid for some, but that's too hard to colour, so it's not going to be. What would you do? Just a bit of grey. And I'm thinking this colour, this is 72, it is our dark sand. I'm thinking of for this bit. I'm not sure if this orange is a bit light for the retro look. I'm trying to make these lighter as we go towards the middle to carry on with that look of the sort of light shining in the middle. And I'm going to use that for this bit. Dark on the edges, little, only a light bit in the middle, quite difficult to do. I'm going to grab this number 4 again and just tidy up along here these bits that I couldn't see until it was properly coloured. I'm sure it's probably still not completely sorted, but I can tidy up a bit. Right, my final colour. I think I am going to go with the 24, which is the scarlet red, but for me it looks very orangey. So here I'm going to leave a lightish bit in there. Now on this bit we want it darker on the edge, lighter in the middle, again to try and emphasize that rounded shape. And then the same with this bit. There we go. Now we have our label. We haven't used a great deal of different colours, so I'm going to stick with this 24 and I'm going to make this really dark. I accidentally coloured over it anyway, so this might cover up my little error. And the tape I'm going to do in the 72 but in a really dark, again, dark. There we go. Okay. Wow, that's quite orange, isn't it? Quite orange. But there we go with our little casserole dish. Very retro, very orange, but fun and different, which is good. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have a fab day and happy colouring.